The new generation of the MINI Cooper Convertible rounds off the current MINI family with a model that is full of unique features. MINI presents the new convertible model that perfectly embodies the brand's openness. Always open, this traditional claim of the MINI Convertible aptly describes the model's philosophy. The folding roof opens fully automatically in just 18 seconds, allowing the driver to enjoy the breeze and sunshine at all times. Whether in the city, on country roads, or on the highway, the MINI Convertible offers pure freedom and unmistakable driving pleasure. The open-top four-seater combines space-saving proportions with fascinating open-air driving fun. With the MINI Cooper Convertible, one of the most emotional models in the new MINI family returns to the MINI plant in Oxford, the home of the British premium brand.